Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying prerequisites. The SQL service must be running and reachable on the network, and you need a valid login. Once done, open SQL Server Management Studio and choose Connect, Database Engine. Enter the server name or IP, then pick authentication type. Use Windows for integrated security or SQL login for explicit credentials. Make sure to include instance name like server/instance when required. This immediate action gets you to the connection dialog without wasting time on unrelated setup. Now focus on authentication and detailed options so the connection succeeds. If using SQL login, enter username and password and test with Connect. If Windows Auth, SSMS uses your current credentials. Click Options to change network protocol from shared memory to TCP/IP when connecting remotely and increase timeout if needed. If the instance listens on a non-standard port, append a comma and the port or use TCP, server name 1435. These adjustments control how SSMS reaches the server and prevent common network failures. Finish by clicking Connect and confirming the server appears in Object Explorer with databases and server properties visible. If connection fails, troubleshoot. Verify firewall rules allow the SQL port, ensure SQL browser is running for named instances, and confirm TCP/IP is enabled in SQL Server Configuration Manager. Once you change settings, restart the SQL service so they take effect, and then try connecting again. One key tip: use Telnet or testnet connection to validate the server and port reachability before more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.